Bitcoin keeps booming. Bitcoin for beginners. And we're also going to cover some top altcoins, right? And what does that even mean, right? Bitcoin and altcoins. Well, Bitcoin is the number one coin out of all the digital assets. It's the number one coin, and basically all the other coins are altcoins, right? And there are literally over 12,000 different coins. And I'm going to share with you a couple of key things that I'm keeping my eye on, just throwing it out there if you want to keep your eye on. Now, before I go into that, I'm going to do a volume check here in a second. But I wanted to share with you about the IM Academy, because what I am doing is I am a representative of the Academy. What you see on the screen here is called Swipecoin. It is one of the tools, and you're currently looking at Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, which is like really up and close and personal. If you see right here, the system actually gave us a call if we were doing trading during this time. Just this morning, early in my morning, Bitcoin was right around here, 50,000, and then right now it's at 52,000. That's just that's amazing, right? It's just so much. Volume check, testing. Oh, good. Okay, we got volume. All right. Sometimes you get going, and sometimes I don't have volume, but we do have volume. Okay. But look at the movement. $2,000 in one day. It was basically one 15-minute time frame. It went from 50,000 to like almost like in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, it went up $1,000 in 30 minutes. That's just nuts, right? So, and we haven't even begun. From everything I'm hearing from the teachers, we have just begun. Now, this is on the 15-minute time frame. This is also a tool by the IM Academy. It's called Levels, and you can look at from a different perspective. But this is also Bitcoin, but it's on the weekly time frame, right? So on the weekly time frame, and you can see we're currently at 52,000. Our previous all-time high is around almost 70,000. A lot of people this year are calling for 60,000 and beyond, even 100,000, 120,000. I've heard higher things, and so within the next, what they call this bull market, right? So just something to be aware of. This is just a beautiful chart, but the thing is what helps me and what I like about the Academy is that I like to be up close and personal, because what I really like to do, you never know what's going to happen. Price is 52,000 today. In a month from now, it could be back down to 26,000. That's just the way this thing goes. But if you but if you are trading properly and listening to the coaches and doing and learning how to maneuver around these things, there's lots of opportunity. So I'm going to briefly share with you in a 3-minute video, share with you what the IM Academy is. So if you're interested in joining the Academy, which is my whole idea, my whole purpose of sharing my strategies on here, is that you can learn and do your own strategies with the Swipecoin, the levels, and even more. I mean, this is nothing, but here's the...
Welcome to IM Mastery Academy. IM Mastery Academy sells digital educational products and services focused on the teaching of skills and understanding financial markets and the e-commerce sector. The content is delivered online primarily through live interactive video and supported by a library of pre-recorded and app-based content. IM Mastery Academy was formed in 2013 by Chris Terry and Isis Terry to offer learning and education opportunity to adult students on a subscription model. IM Mastery Academy's objective is to provide its customers with accessible and interactive training to enable them to develop skills they could apply to their own trading. Initially, iMastery Academy focused on financial markets education, but has since expanded its scope into learning modules that cover other areas such as social media, personal development, and e-commerce. The primary iMastery Academy products are learning modules known as courses. There are 5 distinct courses that are offered to customers to purchase via the im.academy website: foreign exchange, stocks and cryptocurrency, e-commerce, social media, and personal development. The content of each course is delivered by interactive online sessions with iMastery Academy trainers called educators via a service which is called Go Live. Each Go Live session is offered on multiple days and at various times to accommodate students in different time zones. Students can also access a library of pre-recorded video modules for each course, which is also available on mobile devices via the IM Academy app. In addition, IM Mastery Academy offers Travel Life Experiences. This travel benefits membership program is not an educational product, but gives members access to discounted travel and experiences, including themed educational trips. IM Mastery Academy does not engage in providing trading signals, offer investment advice, or provide trading facilities, nor does IM Mastery Academy refer business to investment brokers or recommend firms of brokers to its Academy customers. IM Academy, therefore, has no information on how students invest or trade or whether they make a profit or loss in their trading activities. IM Academy uses a multi-level marketing program involving independent business owners or IBOs to sell its online educational services. Customers who are not part of the multi-level structure pay subscriptions for educational services. Commissions are paid only on customer subscriptions. No commissions are paid for recruitment or from any fees paid by participants in the multi-level program. All IM Mastery Academy IBOs are self-employed, independent contractors and are not employees. As such, they do not receive a salary and are paid only on the customer sales they make or their sales teams make. You must be 18 years old or older to enroll. Visit im.academy to learn more. IM Mastery Academy. This is home.
Well, there you have it. That's a little insight in what the IM Academy is. And so just to be clear, you can just become a student like I did, or you can also get into it and you can promote it and get paid on subscriptions when you enroll people, right? So if you decide you want to participate into the IM Academy, the link is inside the description of the video, and just join this is what we're doing here with stocks and crypto. It's called the DCX Academy. That's what you're looking for. But realize they have other academies. Oh my gosh. I really want to get into them myself. And so there's other things. I've joined the DCX Academy, and I've also joined the Forex Academy, which teaches about other currencies, which I find fascinating. So anyway, here's a look at Bitcoin right here. So it is currently broken and closed above. It's doing its thing right now. I'm just kind of waiting to see, do we go higher or do we stay, right? That's kind of what I'm looking at right here. I'm going to look at it on the levels program. Now I'm going to pull it up, just kind of get a different perspective over here. Let's see here, BTC. All right, so this is on the 1 hour time frame. Look at this. Now, I was really waiting to see, if you listen to the last analysis I did yesterday, this purple bar right here, I was waiting on a breaking close above, and we have gotten that. We have broken a close above that, which now I feel like we're in this territory now. It's going to take a lot, I feel like, to bring us back down below 50,000. I don't think it'll happen. anytime soon, but you never know. But that's just kind of my thinking out loud. I'm just kind of thinking it through. So the thing is I have a lot of projects that I want to buy into, including Bitcoin is another one I want to keep buying into, but I feel like it's just the price keeps getting away from me. There is a lot of talk that eventually we will have a pullback. When is the pullback? I don't know. I would love to see a pullback, but right now, it just with everything going on, there's a lot of money from wealth management firms that a lot of these if you've heard about Bitcoin ETFs getting approved, and a lot of people are just starting to pour money into these ETFs, and there's going to be more to come. Lots of opportunity for us. But as far as watch, the prices are just kind of running away. Look at this price, just boom, up and to the right, just wow. So, okay, so this is Bitcoin, but it's good, it's positive. So let's see. Although I would love to have some more time to buy some more, including here Ethereum. The price just keeps going up and up. Right now we're currently at $2,790, and it just keeps pumping. I do, have a feeling that it's going to go up above 6,000, maybe above 10,000, but that's my goal. So with that in mind, I don't mind paying $2,790 for this, but I'd rather pay these prices back here, the $1,400 prices, right? So let's see what else we got here. Okay, I'm just going to go down the line here. ADA, I'm interested in this one here. This one is kind of fascinating because it's ADA, Cardano, really, I feel like is in its own ecosystem, separate than Bitcoin. So they're both digital assets, but they're different. And so I'm based on the instructors that I hear, there's a lot of positivity about this one. Chainlink. Look at here, just the price is pumping. Just recently, we were looking at it. It was $14. Now it's at $20. But previous all-time high is $52. I don't mind spending, buying Link personally at $20. I'd rather pay less, but I feel like if we get back to all-time high or beyond, it's a good bargain personally right now. That's what I'm just thinking out loud, not financial advice. Let's look at, I want to see some XRP. It's at 54 cents. This is a really fascinating one. It's kind of like to me, it feels kind of like a wild card, but a lot of people are really supportive of this asset. They're currently undergoing a lot of litigation and lawsuits and things, and they seem to be able to get through, and it's such an important, if you start to understand and listen to different teachers and what they say and how important this particular asset is, XRP or Ripple, they feel like it will go to $5 and $6 and beyond. It's currently at 54 cents. So yeah, if it did that, that'd be great. So I'm going in on it until I know different. Although it has its own kind of thing, it's different. One investor educator I once heard said, to really, it's good to be, when you're investing in different things, like even inside of the digital assets category, I feel like and according to what he said, it's good to have different things they're all digital assets, but maybe there's 12 digital assets, but they all have different points of that industry, right? So XRP is its own thing. It's either going to be successful and it's going to go up above, $5 and above, or it'll go to zero, but we will see. And if it goes to zero, there'll be it will be bad news for a lot of people. So hopefully not. But for now, it's on my list. I'm going in on it, but it is speculative. I'd say for me, I feel like it's speculative. Okay, I'm gonna look at Phantom, although this has been a good one for me, but I don't like that it's paired here with the BTC. See how that is? Not the USDTC, the US dollar. It's a little hard. It's a little hard for me to read it on here, so I'm going to bypass that. Let's go to link. We talked about that. See if there's anything pressing that I want to refer to. Algo. No, it's Algo BTC. Not what I wanted to see. XLM BTC. Not what I want to see. Atom. Yes, I'm on the Atom train, and so it's currently around $10. Previous all-time high over $40. So I am all about the Atom train right now, and there's lots of good feedback on this particular one. Uni, I'm on the Uni train. It's at $6.98. A lot of the educators love Uni, and the more you hear their stories, the more you kind of mentally, me personally, buy into what they're saying, and you get on board with the project. So you're not afraid to buy it. You're not afraid to buy it. So I am a fan of this one, and I like how it hasn't gotten out of control yet. It's at $6.98. Previous all-time high, 44. That's like a nice 8x or so if we get back to previous all-time highs. So I am loving Uni, and it's not financial advice, but it is an asset that I'll be dollar cost averaging into. And here's another one I'm looking at, but I'm not too sure about this one. I haven't gone too hard on this one, but ARB, right? I just wanted to look at it. But I think that's it right now. I'm gonna quant USDT. Yeah, I want to see this one. I'm hearing a lot of good things about this one. We're currently sitting at about $105. Previous all-time high over $400. So as we approach this up and coming bull market, if we got back to previous all-time high, and even we could go above and beyond. I mean, that's what a lot of people hope. But quant $105, that's almost a 4x. That's 4 times. So if you put in $100, $400. Put in $1,000, $4,000, and so forth. So I'm a big fan of this one. It's on my list, the dollar cost average. Not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my thinking. This is quant, QNT, right? Not financial advice, right? So anyway, so there you have it. If you ever have anything you would like me to pull up and look up, I'd be happy to do it. And I'm going to leave us with some BTC. This is on the 1 hour. Man, it is pumping. And this is on the 15-minute frame. It is pumping. We have broken and closed above to confirm the idea. We are heading up until otherwise noted different. All right. We're heading north until the system tells us that we're going the other way. And then once we go the other way, that's the good thing. Also, I feel about digital assets as traders, we can profit when the price goes up, and we can profit when the price goes down, right? So we just have to know how to play the game. So if you're interested in joining the academy with me, the links to joins inside the description. It's the DCX Academy, or you can just call me and let's connect. But that's it for now. Appreciate your time and your energy. Remember, health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.